Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the network has mind-blowing latest details about the Samsung's Galaxy S25 series lineup. According to the latest news, the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup factory display units shown in a real live shot. Also, on the other hand, Galaxy S25 Ultra's rear camera design has leaked. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. We have another solid lead that confirms again that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be rounded at the corners, and it will be a refreshing change of pace for all of us. It's obvious that all Galaxy S25 series handsets are in production, and this new leak seems to have come directly from the assembly line. ICE Universe's X post shared the sample display panels of each Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, and it's a preview of what this new S lineup holds display-wise. This image has the display units of each phone side by side, so we can tell how different they are by size. Those bezels are thinner than last time, and of course, we see minimal punch holes that they planted carefully on top. We even hear that the S25 Ultra is the same size now as the iPhone 16 Pro Max at 6.9 inches, and if you talk specifically about the bezels, they shaved off 0.2 mm from the borders compared to the S24 Ultra. Their Galaxy S24 Ultra didn't have an Exynos version last time, and all it carried was Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across the board, but Samsung's upcoming flagship phone might not follow it. Allegedly this time, there will be a 25 Ultra with Exynos and Snapdragon chip, but only if these leaks pan out. Exynos 2500 is their in-house chip that should parallel the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in these Galaxy phones. There were also some conflicting reports on the matter, and we hear that this Exynos 2500 won't be ready by the time the S25 series breaks cover, so this can be a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 only series globally. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's rear camera design has leaked. Prolific leakster ICE Universe has revealed that the camera rings of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will largely look similar to those of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This means that the rings around the camera lenses will be black and have concentric circles. Previously, it is said to feature a 200-megapixel primary rear camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It is said to stick with a 12-megapixel selfie camera, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.